Hello family, welcome back. Thank you all for tuning in. If this is your first time here, I want to say welcome. I hope you all liked the video, and if y'all do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Alright y'all, so today I'm here with this Hero Max, and for this Hero Max I am using some rice flour, aloe vera, almond oil, and 1 egg. So I started off with my rice flour. I have measured 3 tablespoons of the rice flour. Now I'm going to add in some water and mix it really well. When I'm done mixing it, we're going to move that to the stove top, and it's going to sit there for 5 minutes. Please make sure to stir your rice flour while it cooks. Alright family, so while that is cooking, we're gonna move on to the aloe vera. So you all know the drill here. My aloe vera is already washed, sitting in some water. Now the only thing we have to do is extract the gel. So that is what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna move on to blending the aloe vera. So if you do not want your aloe vera blended, you don't have to do it. All you have to do is prepare your aloe vera in a way that you can be able to extract the pure gel. The pure gel has a very thick jelly consistency to it, but once you blend it, it gets very watery. So if you don't want that, then don't blend it. Alright family, so when I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead and put the aloe vera into the blender, and then we're going to add the rice flour. Alright, we're going to add the rice flour, and then we're going to blend both ingredients. Alright y'all, so here's our blended ingredients. That is the aloe vera gel and the rice flour. Now I'm going to go ahead and sift. When I'm done sifting, we are going to add in the rest of the ingredients, and that is my sweet almond oil and 1 egg. So keep watching y'all. Alright family, so the Hero Max is ready. This Hero Max is packed with vitamins A, C, and E. It's going to strengthen your hair, grow your hair, eliminate microbial infections, reduces scalp inflammation, restore the pH balance on your scalp. This Hero Max is amazing, y'all. So I've already washed my daughter's hair. Now it's time for application. After application, I'm going to leave this on for 45 minutes, and then all I have to do is rinse it out. Please, when you are rinsing your hair, do not use hot water. Make sure you are using lukewarm water, okay? Because of the egg that is in the hair mask, you do not want to use hot water. It can get stuck on your hair, okay? Please don't use hot water, family. So after application, like I said, it's going to sit on her hair for 45 minutes. And then all I have to do is rinse it out. If you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, especially if you like the video. And please join the family if you like what you see on here. Thank you all for your support. Keep watching, y'all. Alright y'all, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. See you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye.